Welcome back, or if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. I am Katrina, and this is Katrina's Priceless Home, Life, and More. I share tablescapes, home decor, cooking, DIYs, seasonal decor, and outdoor living. Follow me on all of my socials, and let's now enjoy the video together.
I bring my burden again to my Father and my friend. I sing hallelujah. Anytime, any place, you stand beside me and wait. I sing hallelujah. I bring my burden again to my Father and my friend. I sing hallelujah. Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Your peace surrounds me, hope is found right where I am now. I look into your face, all my fear falls away, singing glory to you, God. You undo me again, my Father and my friend, singing glory to you, Lord. I look into your face, all my fear falls away, singing glory to you.
Today, I invite you to sit at my dining room table that has been transformed to capture the essence of autumn, or what I believe to be exquisitely designed. Gaze through the layers of this setting filled with subtle details to make this cohesive table warm, cozy, and festive. Inspired by the changing leaves, signaling fall has taken center stage, the warmth of the tablecloth serves as the perfect backdrop for each piece to shine. A subtle gold pumpkin placemat grounds each setting. A crisp white charger brushed with gold swirls on all four corners. A gold and cream table setting found on a Salvation Army thrift store shelf serves to bring elegance to the table. White and gold napkins intertwined and held together with a gold-toned napkin ring. Gold utensils, Claire stemware with a golden rim, paired along an amber-colored stemware that immediately reminds you of fall foliage. This amber color serves to warm up what could be a cold tablescape. To further bring warmth to the table, I have a combination of vases, candle holders, and a grapevine garland. Each vase, each candle holder has the addition of a natural element, miniature pine cones with a white candle on top. The garland, rich in jewel tones, brings a feeling of warmth and comfort to the table. It also adds a natural element and includes fall foliage, pine cones, and pumpkins. Using a natural tablecloth, our runner truly allows the fall colors to shine. Whether you are setting a contemporary or traditional table, this approach will be applicable. Candlelight is a must, in my opinion. It lends to my theme, the ambience of autumn. Thank you so much for sharing a moment at my table. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell twice so you never miss a future upload. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.